Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT. Today I'm going to show how to bring dark mode, dark theme on Google search easily. Okay, so first of all I'm going to my Google Chrome, and as you can see this is Google search, google.com, and this is in white format, but Google has recently brought this theme, this black mode for Google search. Okay, so simply what you have to do, at the right corner go to settings, and you can see dark theme off or on, whatever. Simply press it, simply click on it, and as you can see this is now totally black. Okay, in black. If I search something like YouTube, and the results are in black mode too. Okay, now this is eye friendly, as we all know, this black thing. And again, if you want to go back to the white version, what you have to do, simply come to google.com, settings, and dark theme, click on this and it will be switched off, and it's white again. Okay, and by doing so you can simply switch your white version to black and black version to white easily. And hope you found this video useful. Please like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.